Hello all. Are you thinking that I am going to discuss about cheetahs? No. Already everyone came to know that the cheetahs were being reintroduced into India in Kuno-Palpur National Park. But that is not the news. That is not at all the news. I am going to discuss about, because of reintroduction of cheetahs, what is happening to one of the vulnerable community of the country. One tribal community named as Sahariya tribal community, they were being thrown out of Kuno-Palpur National Park. People are celebrating reintroduction of cheetahs into India. People are celebrating, the governments are celebrating, the animal welfare activists are celebrating. But the tribal activists, the anthropologists are against this because 2000 tribal people were being displaced from their traditional lands. 2000 tribal people were being displaced from their tribal hamlets. There is a very bad culture impact which is going to happen on one of the tribal community called as Sahariya tribal community. One tribal community, Sahariya's 2000 tribals, is facing displacement due to this cheetah's reintroduction. They were being thrown out. If you see, this is the Kuno-Palpur National Park. Here the cheetahs were being introduced, but here a tribal community called as Sahariya tribal community is living here. So they were being removed, they were being displaced, they were being not given proper resettlement and rehabilitation for cheetahs. Whether it is correct, for 8 cheetahs we are going to displace 2000 tribal population, that too without a proper resettlement and rehabilitation. This is the issue. This is a very big issue. Yes, it's a responsibility to protect our animals. At the same time, it's a responsibility to protect our population, our human beings, our particularly vulnerable tribal population called as Sahariya tribal community. Sahariya Adivasi falling under the particular vulnerable tribal groups, main source of income for them are some resins, lac, these are all the main source of resources for them. Kuno-Palpur was first declared a sanctuary in 1981 and selected as a site for introduction Asiatic lions. From here Gir, from Asiatic lions, from Gujarat's Gir National Park. Owing to this, 24 villages were being relocated outside the protected area between 1998 to 2003. But see, that means every time when sanctuary was being called upon, when relocation of the lions of Gir, because of which the Kuno-Palpur people were being relocated, now because of cheetah, 2000 tribal population of Sahariya tribal people were being displaced. Then what about the resettlement? What about the rehabilitation? We have to think about the tribal population. This is a very good tribal displacement because of ecological considerations. Because of an area by declaration of national park, declaration as a national park or tiger reserve, the tribal people are getting displaced. There is a need to think about it. Thank you. All the best. So everyone, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Jai Hind.